So in Clovis, California, we just finished installing two Kohler Cimarron toilets. This is the master, and we're not going to take a picture of the one in the hall bath because it's the same and it's only a 2-bath home. Anyway, so Kohler's made some changes to their Cimarron line, and the first thing is now they have a little rim around the inside. I think American Standard does the same thing, so water comes out and it blasts the water around in a circle, and apparently that helps flush it better. So that's brand new. And of course this is the elongated chair height. Second thing they did is the mounting bracket is no longer on the bottom of the tank. Now you have, like most toilets, they got a bolt that comes through the bottom, so it goes into the tank and mounts. It used to be just a bracket on the bottom, so there was no holes. There's two little tiny, and then you have one large washer that sits there and mounts. Now what they have is this little skinny washer that mounts on the bowl, and another skinny washer that is mounted on the tank, and it bolts down. And so anyways, that's brand new. It's the first one. We set these all the time, so it's the production had to have changed fairly recently, and we're in September 2020. So I mean, as long as everything works great. We noticed the one in the hall bath, a lot of play in the chain. You can see when you move the lever, there's how much play, so not so bad. But in the hall bath, when you push it to this point, the lever sticks down. So it's a manufacturing problem, not an installation problem. That and if it gets to be a problem for you, let us know. We'll contact Kohler on your behalf, get you a new handle here, replace it. That's in the hall. One thing in the hall that we noticed is flange is real low, and it's got these slots in there. So if you look, there's a big slot that goes like a half circle, goes around, and then a big opening for the bolt. And we don't like that because it takes a lot of the strength out of the flange, and that was original to the home. It's in the floor. You can't see it right now. That's what the bolts bolt to. So we don't like that because they snap real easy. The one in the hall, quite a big jump in the back row of tile down here, about a 1/4 inch higher on the back row, which means the bowl sits up, half in, half on, and half off. So it's kind of floating up there. A lot of shimming around the back side of the toilet in the hall. Got some shims in here too, but not as bad. And so just monitor this. We caulk it all the way around except for the back portion. We leave this open in the event that you do get water coming up for some reason from underneath the bowl. If the wax ring separates, something's going on. You need to see it. We don't want to close this off and have that water sit in there and just putrefy. So anyways, that's open on both ends. Anyways, we've flushed both the toilets multiple times. They're filling correctly, shutting off quickly. We did give you new supply lines down here. Shutoff valves are yours, and new supply lines. Those are Fluid Master 3/8 by 7/8 by 20 inch braided stainless steel. Outside of that, these installations are done.